Over here we are in the giant zinnias, up to 3.5, 4 inches in diameter on some of those blooms. All different colors, a great mix here. Camera doesn't do it justice. These are much more brilliant than you can imagine. Beautiful day to take pictures when it's a little cloudy out. Late August here. Cool, great day. Saturday, August 27th. Come on out to the flower farm, JB Family Farm, Woodinville, Washington. Be open next year too, through September this year. Sunflowers, acres and acres of sunflowers over there.